Good mighty morning, gals. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Monday, March 22nd, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for the OWL Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my OWL Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDSL Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that you're going to read about in the Family Weekly. This Thursday from 5 to 6 p.m., we're going to have our International Food Festival. This year, though, we're going to do it drive-through style. So you can drive through, try some foods from lots of different countries, and then you can vote on your way out as to which was your favorite food dish. We can't wait to see you all here. Also, this Wednesday, the 24th, we will be handing out our 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders mock STAR test for next Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Again, this Thursday from 4:30 to 5:30, we will be handing out our 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade mock STAR test to our 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders for their reading, math, and science mock STAR for next Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. That's the 28th, 29th, and the 30th. So, remember, scholars, every day is actually, those mock STARs are on the 29th, 30th, and 31st. I apologize. So, every day is a great day to learn. Can't wait to see you in the classroom. Have a great day. Hoot, hoot!